What if a woman also contributes financially in buying a home? Can she use the kafir laws to get what is hers in the case of divorce? This question is referring to the laws in America and Canada and some in Europe, where the court gives the spouses half of what the other spouse possesses, usually the man. So if the man was earning and he has wealth and he divorces his wife, or his wife asks for divorce and the court grants the divorce, automatically they go to the wealth of the husband and say, okay, half of the house is hers, half of your cars are hers, stocks, wealth, amount you have in cash, which is totally haram, un-Islamic, unfair, inhumane, and widely abused by women in the West. But who cares? It's a kafir system anyhow. And this is what you get when you decide to live among the kafirs. You live by their rules and you die by their rules. So a woman says, I was married to this Muslim. I had a job. He had a job. I contributed with him in building a house. So he paid an X amount of money, and I paid a huge X amount of money because this was our house. And all of a sudden, after 20 years of marriage, the guy started dyeing his hair, gray hair, starting to driving convertibles, starting to be hip and young again. And all of a sudden, he married a younger woman, and I can't take that. So I filed for divorce. And after the divorce, or throughout the divorce, I demanded my right that I have contributed in the house, which he knows it was not a gift, that was our house. And he denied me. He says, no, the house is in my name. And he's refusing to give me anything. Can I use the kafir law and go to court and demand half of his property to take what is mine? The answer is yes, providing that you only take what is lawfully yours and not a penny more. So if you contributed with $150,000 and the court grants you $500,000, which is half of what he possesses, you only take the 150 and return the rest back to him, and Allah knows best.